YouTube family, my junk family, juntrepreneurs, entrepreneurs. What up, though? What's going on? I am Mr. AMG. Entrepreneur Advice 101, man. What you put in is exactly what you're going to get out, man, when you're an entrepreneur. So I suggest putting in 110%. Don't put in 100. Put that extra 10% in, because you will reap the benefits later, man. Trust me. When people see people with the things that they admire or they desire, keep in mind most people are putting in 110%, man, just to have those things. And you do got the scammers and the finessers out there, man, but we talking about those who actually putting in that work, who actually grinding, man, to have what they want in life, man. I admire those type of people. I aspire to be those type of people. When I see people like that, yo, I triple OG salute them. I never look down or never turn my head like I don't see them. You feel me? You want to make sure at all times you putting in exactly what you want to get out. Your energy got to be strong. Your hustle got to be strong. Your work ethic got to be strong. Those are some of the things that every entrepreneur definitely needs to know. So I'm really speaking to all of the new and up and coming entrepreneurs that may just be breezing through YouTube, a little bit bored, but you an entrepreneur at heart. You got entrepreneurism in your mind. I'm just making a video to tell you, man, that, yo, if I can do it, you can do it, man. I know that's cliche right there, because how many times has somebody said, if I can do it, you can do it? But the truth is, that's the truth. That's all facts right there. So make sure when you go out there, man, you giving it everything you have, man, from picking up the phone, man, to closing the deal. Don't get discouraged when the deals don't close all the time, because you'll be surprised at how many times those same customers will call you back after doing a little research, a little price shopping. They'll come back and they'll end up doing business with you. And a lot of times people end up doing business with me, man, just because of, you know, my vibe, my energy. I'm not bragging or nothing like that, man, but I work really hard to better myself, man, and to understand a lot of things about myself, man, so I could actually, you know, put those type of things back out here. So, you know, another cliche, if you knew better, you do better, man. Once you start bettering yourself and then you start taking on the entrepreneur part of life, man, and keep your energy good, you're gonna reap the benefits, you're gonna reap the rewards, man. You have to. It's just one of the laws of success. You're gonna have to reap those benefits. So I just wanted to make this video, man, to let any newbie, new and up and coming entrepreneur know that what you put in is exactly what you get out. When you see someone with the S580 Benz, or you see someone with the 3500 dually, or multiple real estate properties, keep in mind people are putting in effort to have these type of things. So I just want you to keep that in mind, because at the same time, again, I know it's easy to get discouraged when you're in the beginning stages of being an entrepreneur, because you're spending a lot of money, you're spending a lot of time. You may not be seeing the revenue at this moment that you've seen someone else making on YouTube or down the street. Just keep in mind that if you stay consistent, you put in 110%, you will get 110% back. All right. So wanted to keep this brief for y'all, man, and just let you know, man, stay at it, keep at it, man. What you put in is exactly what you're going to get out, man. All right. Always do the best that you can. Don't knock yourself. And always try to improve yourself. And don't just improve yourself to make money. Improve yourself to be a better person overall, because character is everything, man. All right. And a lot of people will shop with you and do business with you just because of your character sometimes. All right. I'm going to leave that with y'all and check y'all out on the next video. Peace.